Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your Instagram name before the 14 days waiting period instantly. So the other method that I had on the channel would take at least a few days to actually work, but this one's going to be an instant thing. It'll work on your Android, iPhone and on your computer as well. So first of all, you're going to need to get to your profile. If you're on the phone, go to the bottom right there. If you're on the computer, just get to your profile page right here. Then click edit profile. Then you're going to want to click on your name and then kind of delete your name, or like right backspace off your name there so it has nothing left. Then click done. And that will leave you without a name there. So that will kind of solve the problem of, that TikTok prank that was going around, which made people change your name to something like embarrassing. So that means it will be gone instantly. If you just want to change your name to something specific and that wasn't a thing for you, there is a link in the description below and on screen right now to how to change your Instagram name to actually something instead of nothing at all. But leave a like on the video if you're going to go out and do this. Share it to your friends if they've changed their name like this. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on the screen to see my how-to videos on Instagram. But that's it for now. I'll see you on the next video.